Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. The first thing, I need to distribute n square for 1n for this one and 1n for 1 divided by n. So that should be like this. So the next one, this one we can put 1 over n everything to the power of 2. This one that is about 2 over n everything to the power of 2. This one that is about 3 over n everything to the power of 2, and so on in here. And we know that number 1 that is about 1 minus 0. So we can say that this one that is about the length of the rectangles. This one that is about the width. So we can apply the definition of integration. So this one that is about the integration from 0 to number 1. That's it from here. And this one we change for s. So 1 over n, 2 over n, that is about the length of the rectangle. That is about se to the power of s squared. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the powers. So when s equals to number 0, we put number 0 going here. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 going here. So you got about u equals to number 1. That means the powers does not change. So s squared we change for u. S ds we change for this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one that is about this one. So we put the bounds in here. This one that is about e. This one that is about number 1. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.